Experts say they're baffled by university's decision to pull its physical education degree. Queen's says it will suspend the program by 2017. Application numbers for the program have dropped 15% over the past 5 years. Currently, only 43% of elementary schools in Canada have a specialist gym teacher. Well, joining us from Ottawa is Chris Jones. He is the Executive Director of Physical Health Education Canada. Good morning.
Good morning, Beverly.
So, tell me what your reaction was to Queen's deciding to suspend this program.
Well, of course, we were a little disappointed, although we try to keep it in context in that we see that Queen's is perhaps pursuing more of a applied health sciences approach with a focus on exercise physiology and biomechanics. They've decided, obviously, not to go in the direction of phys ed pedagogy, which is, teaching teachers how to teach. And that's fair enough. That's a choice they've made.
When we think about, when some people say that they're concerned about this, they're concerned obviously because we live in an era of concern about obesity and inactivity on behalf of everybody, not just children. Do you think this sends a different message, or, considering the applications for the program was down, is it smart on behalf of Queen's?
Well, Queen's would be exceptional in the province of Ontario. 80% of the schools in the province that offer B.Ed degrees would be offering physical education as a teachable subject. And clearly the evidence shows that children in the school system really benefit from having phys ed teachers, specialists who understand how to convey information, how to motivate them, how to teach them self-discipline, that kind of thing. And you can only pick that up in a pedagogical-based environment. And so, clearly there's a need out there.
What about, the comparison between, and I guess, the efficacy in terms of the program, of just general teachers teaching gym?
Yeah, well, that's the reality these days, is that regrettably we have a situation where generalists are teaching most of our kids in the elementary system. The only province in the country that actually has a requirement for specialists is Manitoba. So kids aren't perhaps getting the quality physical education that they should be getting, and that's resulting in, what we're seeing, more sedentarism, more screen addiction, all the kinds of problems we associate with kids just not being active for that 25 to 30 minutes a day, which they should be.
Right, but
there's a concern.
But that would be more their lifestyle, and not necessarily because a regular teacher is teaching gym, though, right?
No, the reality, though, is that a physical education teacher is equipped with certain understandings of how to motivate the child. They just have a way of ensuring that the child is able to take up sport and physical activity in a meaningful way, incorporate it into their lives, learn the self-discipline associated with it. And unfortunately, generalist teachers don't necessarily have that background always, and that results in it's a drawback for the kids.
Okay, Chris Jones, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.